Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. For today's video, I will show you how to upload a file to ChatGPT. To upload a file, first we need to add a plugin that will help us in uploading a file in ChatGPT. Go to your web browser and search for ChatGPT File Uploader. Click this. And as we can see here, this Chrome extension for ChatGPT, the ChatGPT File Uploader. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Reload or refresh your ChatGPT page. As we can see here, there is a Submit File button. We can use this to upload files like notes, words, or PDF files. Let's try PDF file. It will make easy for us because we will not type anymore or convert the PDF file to text. Click on Submit File and search for the file you want to upload. Here, we have a PDF file of math problems. And that's it! Right away, ChatGPT tried to solve the math problems on the uploaded PDF file. And that is how to upload a PDF file in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!